So we're going to add a fade out just to THX 1138's guitar. So you said it was at the end after the vocals are finished. Who's singing here? Laura. So about there. Where is it? Here. So start by selecting fade out, and I'm going to make it linear like the screenshot I sent you. There. Okay, just put me back at the beginning, so I'll scroll to the end and find the track again. It's that one there, and the vocals finish there. So I click at the end of it somewhere, hold the left mouse button down and drag to the left. Let's say I'm going to go a little bit more than what you said because you'll see what I mean. Let go. Let's scroll to the end again. Let's check it out. And there it is. So what you do is you left click at the end and then you work back. So left click at the end and hold the mouse button down and drag it until where you want the fade out to begin. That's how I do it anyway. Maybe it could be done differently. So let's see if we can listen to it. Just skip forward. So you can still hear it. So what I would do is we still have fade out and linear selected. So I could just left click, drag it back further. Let's say about there. Let go and scroll to the end again. Let's go up and have a look. Okay. So usually you have to go with this particular fade out. You have to go a little bit, quite a bit further than what you think you should, and it's because it's looking at the whole height of the track, not just the peaks and on the wave graph. So let's listen now. So the other thing that we could do is, I'll just press door again to refresh it, and that should get rid of my fade out, right? Should we check? Yeah, so the fade out is not there anymore. The other thing you could do is, again, fade out, linear, scroll to the end. I think I could apply it. I don't know if this works. I don't know if the fade out has to begin at the actual end time of the track. I'm just going to try and click somewhere else, so it finishes earlier. So left click, drag to the left, let go. Let's see what that does. Okay, that doesn't work. So yeah, it looks like fade out applies from the actual end time of the track. So if there's obviously a little bit of silence at the end of this track, and that's where it starts. And working backwards, so you'll have to, I guess you'll have to extend it further until you find yeah, something that works for you. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. And yeah, otherwise let's have a look at it again later. Cheers.